everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a breakfast sausage casserole. And this is a real good casserole. You can make it a day ahead of time and put it in the refrigerator, and it also freezes well. So let me get started on this recipe, and I'm going to be browning my sausage. My sausage browned and drained, and so now I'm going to be cutting my bread. It's going to take maybe about 7 pieces, and I'm cutting the ends off. And you can save the end pieces if you like to make different recipes with it and freeze them. Now I'm going to be cutting these in fours. Now I'm going to be putting my bread in a sprayed dish, a 9 by 13. I have my bread cut up and put in my pan now. So now I'm going to put my mustard in my sausage, drained sausage. I'm going to be putting about probably a tablespoonful. Okay, stir all that up. Okay, I just have my mustard stirred in. That was about a tablespoonful. And so now I'm going to be putting it over my bread. So now I'm going to put the cheese on. And I have mozzarella cheese and shredded sharp cheese. And you can put the kind of cheeses on it that you like. Let's see. This side. Okay. In my bowl, I have 6 beaten eggs. Get a paper towel. going to be putting in my Worcestershire salts. That's about a tablespoonful. My salt and black pepper. That's about a teaspoon each. And this is 2 cups of milk. Okay. I'm going to whisk this all up. Okay, now I'm going to put this over my casserole. And I'll put about another half a cup of cheese on top. And I'm going to cook this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. And when it's done, I'll be back. Okay, my sausage casserole is done now. It cooked about 30 minutes, so I'm going to cut a piece of it and do the taste test. It got good and brown, so I decided to go ahead and take it out at 30 minutes. And that's what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to do the taste test now. And this was a really easy, budget-friendly recipe. And I think y'all really enjoy it if you try it. So now I'm going to do the taste test. That is delicious.
You think that's something I'm going to enjoy?
Yes, I do. So, y'all do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.